Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I am Lena Hansen, and if I could only do 3 face yoga poses for the rest of my life, these are the 3 that I would choose. And why? Because they lift, tone, and rejuvenate my skin, and just doing these a few minutes a day can really make a big difference. So let's get started. So we are going to get started by stretching out our neck and shoulder a little bit here. So move from the left to the right, move forward, move back. Do this again. Move your head to the right, move forward, move back. Really taking your time here. Beautiful. We're going to start by applying a little bit of face oil to our skin. And it's going to help with the slip a little bit. We don't need too much, just a little bit. And we're going to apply it all over our cheeks and forehead and jaw and our neck area. Take a nice deep breath and let's get started. So you want to place your index fingers here lightly under the eyes, make an O shape with your mouth and start looking up and just start fluttering your eyes. We're going to do this for 15 seconds to start here. Take a little break. Nice deep breath, and let's go back again. Let's do this for 15 seconds. This is going to strengthen and tone the muscles around the eyes and our mouth. It reduces hollows underneath the eyes, it lifts the upper eyelids and the lower part of our face, so it's really targeting multiple areas here. Wonderful. Take a little break. Nice deep breath. And let's do it one more time. Place your fingers here, make an O shape, look up, and flutter your eyes. Beautiful. Next, we are going to do our second exercise. So you're going to make an O shape again, and we're going to go from an O to a smile face here. So we're going to go back and forth, and you see here how my cheeks, you can place your fingers here a little bit next to your mouth as well. For a little bit more control, but you see how the cheeks are lifting. So this is the cheek muscle really lifting and firming here. So we're gonna do this for about 20 seconds. You want to make sure that you're not moving your eyes or forehead much. It's really just working on the lower part of the face here. So take a little break here, and we're going to do this again. Place your finger here next to the mouth. Make an O shape and a smiley face, and only start engaging your cheek muscles here. This is really great for sagging cheeks, and it lifts and tones the cheek muscles. Wonderful. We're going to do our third exercise. So part 1 of this exercise is look straight ahead, and then you're going to move your fingers from the top of the neck down to the shoulders here, or collarbone. So we want to lightly, gently move them down. We don't want to go too much here. We don't want to drag the skin. And this is going to increase lymphatic drainage. So for this next part of this exercise, we're gonna look up, jut your lower lip a little bit here, and hold here for a few seconds. Place your fingers on the collarbone, let go back to normal. Now again, place your fingertips here on the collarbone, jut your lip a little bit, look up. This is going to engage the platysma muscle, the neck muscle. So it's going to engage, and this is great for any lines and wrinkles on the neck, for any sagging skin. So it's wonderful for firming the neck and jaw muscles. Relax your neck and shoulder a little bit here and do this again. One last time. Look up, jut your lip. Take a few nice deep breaths. Wonderful. So we're going to rub our palms together, get them warm, and then we are going to place the palms on our face to calm and soothe and relax. We're going to take 3 nice deep breaths here. Wonderful. So which of these 3 moves are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in next video.